So 2022, it's been really rough. Pretty much every sector, every market is down. Most traders and investors are reporting losses of 30 to 50%. And, I've been really fortunate to come out with a profit this year. I've turned a $23,000 balance into $75,000 over the course of 2022. And I want to show you guys how I did that. I also want to talk about my plan for 2023 and how I plan to grow that $75,000 balance even more. So let's get into it. I know most of you that watch me on this channel are watching other influencers or traders on YouTube, trying to get information to improve your profit in the markets, right? I just wish that more of these people would show you third-party verified proof that they can trade over the long term, because most of them don't. They lie or they fudge their results, and it makes it really difficult for us traders to know who to follow. Who should we try to gain knowledge from so we can better our trading? And it's really difficult on YouTube to find that because most people are just not telling you the truth. And so I spend extra time on this channel to really break down the important details to basically prove to you that I'm telling the truth. So that's why I'm going to show you guys my $23,000 deposit and kind of verify it so you understand that it's real. I deal with mostly crypto for depositing and withdrawing to my brokers overseas. So I use the Gemini exchange to exchange fiat into crypto so I can send that to my brokers. So you can see my deposits at 416 of $15,000 and my deposit on 405 for $4,000. So this was a year and a half ago. This is when I really started doing more public trading. And then I pushed that into my Trader's Way account. So I had 5,000 to begin with at Trader's Way, 5,068. And then I made additional deposits of 294, 3,908, and 13,000. So these are the deposits that you see from Gemini that made it into my account within that same week. This ended up being roughly around 23,000 starting balance, which was in the middle of 2021. So I wanted to prove to myself that I could trade this $23,000 profitably at Trader's Way. So I opened up a private account and was able to grow this $23,000 into $29,518 over the course of 2 months from April to June in 2021. And decided at this point that I was ready for public trading. I wanted to show people what I was capable of doing on a manual trading level and an algorithmic one as well. And so you see on 6/16, $29,518 deposit was made into this new account. And this was very public. You can view it as well. So $15,000 profit on this account, $2,000 profit on this one, $5,382 profit on this one, and $329 on this one. So these are the bulk of my trading profits. And if you've been following this, that $23,000 initial deposit, I've seen $26,518 profit overall across my accounts over the majority of 2022. So I'm also including my Forex funds. This is a proprietary firm. So if you pass their challenges and you can prove that you're a good trader, then you can trade their funds. And I've been able to withdraw over $20,000 in profits from my Forex funds trading accounts. So I'm currently still trading out at Mike's Forex funds. I'm going to do a review of them in a later video. So overall profit from my Forex funds in my personal trading accounts is $46,625. Somehow there's $5,000 missing from all of this math that I've been doing. I think I made an additional deposit to my account that I haven't found. So you could say that I turned 23,000 into 70, although I'm trading 75 currently. So reflecting on this year, it was difficult. I was manual trading and I was doing algorithmic trading, and the combination was tough. There was a point where I was down 30% on my manual trading account. And I was able to make a recovery, but it wasn't easy. It was really stressful. It was a lot of sleepless nights. And I realized that there are ways that we can cut corners to allow us a little bit more freedom in trading. And I ended up taking a break from manual trading, and so far it's been kind of nice. Just kind of watching my accounts grow passively with my algorithms. And I've been really fortunate to close out the year with profit. And it's been a pretty good year. And I wanted to make my accounts pretty pure, like not a bunch of extra deposits that clouds the profit and makes it all messy. I wanted to really show you guys that I've been able to grow this $23,000 into something substantial. And I plan to push that even further. So in 2023, I pulled up this compounding interest calculator, and my average monthly gain is around 4%. And I want to keep that to be pretty strict, anywhere from 3 to 5%. And if I continue that, I could potentially have around $120,000 by the end of next year. 2023 is going to be tricky. The markets are going to be all over the place. Could be even more hectic and more crazy than it was in 2022. But hopefully things will start to kind of settle down. The recession, people are starting to accept it. And maybe once that happens, things will start to repair. But expect volatile markets, and I'll just take these markets one step at a time, and hopefully we'll see some profit into 2023. Thanks everybody so much for watching my channel and for your support. We'll see you next year.